Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So today is this is 14th of May. So basically, I want us to start by looking at the chart on our screen. This is a chart which somebody requested me to look at today. So I already have my lines drawn on it on the monthly. This is USD card. Disregard whatever you're seeing on the top left-hand side of my screen. This one. Disregard it. On this chart, basically, we are approaching a very significant supportive level. We have a very good support around 1.20841, 1.19319. So this is a very good level that as long as we continue to see price being held above it, this remains to be a good place to look for a buy from. So technically, we want to see price ascend up to this point. I'm not saying you're supposed to look for a buy this month, but come next month, we want to see that the next candle should attempt to go below this level, or even the current candle, it should attempt to go below this level, but then it must come back and close above it, if this is to be a good place to buy from. So basically, we'd like to see what happens. We want to see that if the price does not clearly break below this level, the zone where I'm having my line at, my two levels, then that will be a good place to look for a buy from. So if you buy it, your take profit here, the first one, and then the next take profit is around 1.40724. Then our next chart is Euro USD. So Euro USD so far on the monthly chart, there is nothing much. On the weekly chart, looks like we do expect price to go to the upper side. So if you minimize this, you'll be able to see what I'm seeing. We'll delete all these lines because we don't use them at the moment. Previously, we had a trend line here. So this was a very good resistance level. You can see here a very good dynamic resistance level. It was used, this is in January, we had a resistance. February, we had the same place as a resistance. In March, nothing happened. April, the price actually broke above it. Then as we are speaking now, this is May, we want that the price should come back to the same place, should pull back nicely up to the same support, so that we can pick a buy position with our take profit fixed at this level here. So if you are on this chart now, you are supposed to be looking for buy positions. Expect price to get to this level here. Expect price to come back nicely up to that level so that we pick a possible buy position. So this will be the correct place to look for a buy from, around 1.19609. The next symbol is GBP USD. So the British pound, basically, we just bounced off from a very significant resistance level. We have it here. This is a very good resistance level. As long as the price does not clearly break and close above it, this remains to be a good place to look for a sell from. So we want to see price come back up to this point, at least for the third time. Then we'll pick a sell position. Our stop loss is fixed at this point. So we do have a very good resistance level. This zone here is a very good place where we actually do not expect price to break above it. If the price should come back the third time, we don't expect price to go beyond this level. So this will give us the correct place to look for a sell from. We do expect that sell to push us at least up to this point. This is a very good support level. And then the next support is this. So these are the places where if the price can come to this point, then we may expect some reversal from it. And in case the price maybe breaks below it, then the next place we expect a reversal from is this level here. So those are the two places where we do expect price to go up to. If the price comes to any of them, then we are expecting a reversal. Our next symbol is USD/JPY. So USD/JPY so far on this chart, the price is upwards. It looks like the price is upwards. We did take a sell some few days ago. We have a very good level here. So if the current week's candle, the current day's candle like this one, if this candle can successfully close above 109.307, 109.162, then this will mean we are now continuing upwards, at least up to this point, at least up to 110.7005. So we are waiting for price there. We want that the price should get to that point so that we pick a buy position, a sell position back to this level here. But as it is now, USD/JPY is upwards. Expect buyers to come in, especially if the price can pull back up to this point, with our target along 110.705. So the other symbol which I want us to look at gold. As we said yesterday, gold we're expecting some sell positions. We are expecting some sell positions, especially from this trend line. So what I want to see now is I want to see price pull back up to this point so that I pick a sell from that level. I'm expecting that sell to take us at least up to the lower side. So that means I would want to see sellers come in up to this point here. So if you sell it along the upper trend line, this level here, then the best place to take your profit from is around 1772.13. The next symbol which I want us to look at is SP500. So SP500, this is bearish. We are seeing some massive correction. This does not mean that the price is actually bearish, because as you can see from June last year, the price has been upwards. Actually, not even June, up to April last year, the price has been upwards. We've seen some pullbacks, some pullbacks, some pullbacks, some pullbacks, but those are just pullbacks. They are nothing compared to the main move. Like you can see in this case, we had some pullback here. There's a main move, there's a pullback, there's a main move, there's a pullback, there's the main move, a pullback, there's a main move, there's a pullback, and then there's the big main move. So this is a sign that we may see sellers come in on this chart, at least up to this point. So keep looking for sell positions along 41, 22, 32.6. Keep looking for sell positions along that level, at least up to around 39.76.4. The other symbol, the last one for the day, is Brent oil. So Brent oil, so far we are bouncing off of a very good resistance level, which is this 69.221. This is a good place to look for a sell from. So unless the price clearly ascend and close above it, that remains to be a good place to look for a sell from. So unless the price clearly break and close above 69.221, this remains to be a good place to look for a sell from. And in case the price closes below this trend line, then we do expect a move to the lower side up to this point. The next target is this, and then the next target is this. These are the places where we do expect price to go up to. On the flip side, if the price should close above 69.221, then that will mean that we are now continuing to the upper side. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of this analysis. I will meet again on Monday at the same time. So thank you. See you.